I'm just going to text Mary where Jack's. Yeah, we're seeing a lot of cars. Look how busy it is. Both lanes all the way back. Sound is off, sweetie.